Now children, we will make a workbook which will show the daily expenses of different items, and then we will also do the total of total of the items for each day. Now first we'll give the heading daily expenses. So select this cell E3, come to this third row and come to this column E, and let us take two columns E and F, select it, and then to make two cells into one larger cell we use this merge and center option. It is in the home tab, alignment group. This is merge and center. If we click on this, two cells will merge into one larger cell. So let's click on this and see, this has become one larger cells. Now we can insert the heading daily expenses, and then we will press enter key to move to the next row and come down here. On this cell, this is A4, column A, fourth row, and cell address is mentioned here. This is the name box. This is the cell address, also known as the cell reference. This is the active cell. The selected cell is the active cell where we are working. So this column is A4, and here we will enter the heading items, ITEMS. Then let's enter it in caps lock, capital letters. Then using the tab key we'll move to the next column, and here we will enter the days of the week, that is Sunday, Monday, and like this all the 7 days need to be here entered here. Now I have made the entries of different items and different days of the week, and I have also entered the amount here. Okay, so now we will see how to do total in MS Excel. This is the total column. So we will click on the cell where we want to do the total. One option is go to home tab, and here in editing group, this is the auto sum button. It will automatically calculate the sum. This is the, my mouse is I think not working properly. This is the auto sum button. It will display the sum of the selected cells directly after the selected cells. So here I want the total. I have selected this cell. Now if I click on this auto sum button, this formula will be displayed here, and then I click enter. See, the sum of all these has come here. Now let us check the sum. 5 plus 10 15 plus 20 35 plus 5 40. Okay, so now if I delete this, and now let us see how to do total using this formula bar. So I have selected this cell where I want to display the total. Then I will click on this formula bar and enter the formula here. We will start with equal to sign. So we will put equal, and then we want the total from this column B to column F. Okay, and column B, column is B and row number is 5. So we will write B5 plus C5 plus D5 plus E5, and then F, column F, fifth row. Okay, sorry, plus E5 So once we have inserted this formula, Remember, formula will start with equal to sign, and then we will write column name and then the row number plus column name, row number plus column name, till where we want the total, till the column up to where we want the total. And after this we press the enter key. So see, the total has come here. So I hope you have understood how to do total in MS Excel. Similarly, if we want to do the total of rows, we will select this. Suppose we want the total here, we will select this cell, and then it will be, the total will be done row wise. So similarly here also, if we select this cell, click on auto sum and enter, it will display the row total. So I hope you have understood. Enjoy doing this total in MS Excel. Happy learning.